it's Cambria.
And I'm me.
And who are you exactly?
You'll never know.
Oh dear. It's McKenna
No, it's not.
from McKenna's Farm. Today we're going to show you how to make raspberry pomegranate ice cream. And this is a similar recipe to any of our fruit ice creams. The lemon aspect is quite important, and we use way more lemon than most of the recipes call for.
And the lemon kind of looks like butter.
It does look like butter. I never noticed that. The lemon gives you a nice tangy flavor, and then it also helps to pull the sugar out and bring that into the flavor as well. With all of the fruits, you do have to strain it. We puree it first in a blender and then strain it so you can get the seeds out, because seeds are not a favorite thing in ice cream. Then the next part is our duck eggs. We use 5 duck eggs.
And also save the whites, because then you can make protein powder that takes 10 hours. Yay! I think it really should take 6-7 hours.
Yeah, I wish that was the case. But 10 hours seems to be in the magic number. So 5 duck eggs in each quart, which is more like 8 chicken eggs. And we feel that is part of what gives us the really rich flavor. Whenever we can, we try and use organic products, because I like to try and make our ice cream as healthy as possible, and this way it has no hormones and no antibiotics and
Yeah, she's a fancy doctor.
no nasty stuff, so that what you're putting in your body is as healthy as possible. And our recipes do have way less sugar than any kind of store-bought ice cream you will ever find. This is one way to make it, by making the custard first. Both recipes that you'll see, they do have the custard, but in one we cook the fruit and in one we don't. This is how to make the basic custard base. You cook
Mix
it.
And
Yep.
cook it, and I think you should add more salt, in my opinion, because everything with more salt is better.
Yeah, it seems that way sometimes.
No, it is that way.
Okay. All of the custards you do have to strain, because there's sometimes little particles of egg whites, which are not ideal in your ice cream. In this recipe, we added the fruit without cooking it. We'll show you now the way that we actually prefer to make it, but then at least you know how to make the custard base.
Also, it makes it look more pretty, which in my opinion is better if it looks prettier.
So we found if you cook the fruit along with the custard, we feel like the taste is even better.
Pretty.
Very pretty. I
Well,
like
it's
that
gonna
design.
get pretty. Wait.
And
Now
again, you'll
it's
cook
getting
it,
pretty.
to 165 about. You can tell when it starts to thicken.
It looks like a grumpy old man.
I don't know if I see that. Then you add the eggs and cook it until it basically turns a little bit thick, which is around 165. You add your salt, and strain it. And then after you cook it, you do have to cool it down before you put it in your ice cream maker, because otherwise it melts too fast. And voila! Raspberry pomegranate ice cream.
It makes a great pink color.
It does.
Pinkalicious.
You can even add protein powder. We've added a little brown sugar. Thank you for watching.
Yep, that's the end of our video. See you next time.